everyone. Thank you for tuning into Rotrac's most influential, a truly one-of-a-kind social media ingenuity in the history of Rotrac. I, the host for the season, Rotractor Janali Mehta from the Rotrac Club of NM College, proudly present you a really syrupy talk show, Rotrac's most influential. With utmost pleasure, I would like to introduce you, our pilot guest, one of the most ardent Rotractors in the district and the liveliest person ever. He's been the secretary, the sergeant at arms and the PI's director and the president for the Rotrac Club of Navi Mumbai Sunrise. At the district, he's been serving as the ZRR for Zone 2B, the Unstoppables, the deputy chairman Avenues, and now the deputy chairman PRS. Do I need to say the name? It is none other than Rotractor Costa Ghosh.
Hi.
Hello Costa.
Hi.
So how is it being here as the first guest for our talk show season 2?
I guess it feels awesome. It feels great and I'm honored. Thank you Rotrac Club of NM College for this wonderful initiative. And yes, being the first guest on the season 2, I'm happy. Feels great. Looking forward.
Lovely. So the kind of a person that you are, how do you always manage to be so exuberant and affectionate? And what's with that cheers that inevitably links us to you?
Oh my god, yeah. Cheers is a big story. But yeah, I guess Cheers started with this that I was sitting with a couple of friends of mine and I generally don't drink. But all my friends look obviously and they were drinking and they were sharing this glass and they were doing this cheers. This was back home in my college days. And when they were raising the glass, I suddenly saw some kind of emotions on their face. And I started linking it to my life and the lives around and the lives that we touch in Rotrac. And from there it started that if not only with that glass raising point in time in our lives, a point in time in our days, in our vacations, whatever, can we spread this always? Can we spread that smile always with the cheers? So that started off with the concept and I guess I always like to be smiling around because I guess we live only once and let's live it to the fullest. So that is what I believe and yeah, it's paid off till now. Let's hope for the best.
So now to our newcomers, is Rotrac only about serving the society and doing drab, monotonous work, or it can lead to development in various edges?
Okay, so I guess these are the 4 things that I have learned from Rotrac over the last 6 years. First thing is it gives us leadership qualities and I guess the kind of leaders we build, kind of leaders we see around in the movement are all because of Rotrac. Second, obviously yes, we get a chance, we get an opportunity to touch lives and to serve the community at large. Third, I guess this is a dreamland. Rotrac is a dreamland for all of us. Whatever dreams we have in our lives, I guess if we direct our energies properly and using Rotrac as an opportunity, as a platform, all our dreams can be fulfilled. And fourth, very important is we always go back to our college days, always go back to our school days because of that special thing called as friends. And nothing like Rotrac to build on the network of friends, to have lifelong friends, to have cherished memories. So in a nutshell, I define Rotrac this way. Rotrac is this is an ideal platform to hone our leadership skills, help develop the society in its various problems, realize our dreams, and in all this process, make friends for life. This is what is Rotrac to me.
So you've been talking about friends for life. So my next question, undeniably, would be, do you think it is very necessary to have a lot of contacts in Rotrac? Like if I just join in and I don't know a lot of people, will people be amicable and hospitable to me?
Okay, so I'll take back my years when I had just joined the movement, my then president, Rotractor Gina, who is the charter president of my club, used to take me to various Rotract events, various district events, and at that point in time, I used to only stand in a corner, and I still remember those days that nobody knew each other. I mean, nobody knew me, and everybody meeting, greeting each other, and I used to feel so very left out, and it was very painful. Gina used to go around, and she used to just leave me and just go around and meet people, okay? And for 2-3 events, it felt really bad. And when I came back home, I was like, what the hell am I doing? Then suddenly, what happened is I started involving myself, and suddenly, people came around. We did a lot of projects together. Had various clubs joining in, etc. And slowly and steadily, that thing built up. People started recognizing. People started not recognizing maybe Augusta, but maybe the work. Me and Shruti did whatever. So something like that. So yes, it will be difficult at the start to have a lot of contact because we are new to the movement, and it not only is for Rotract but for anywhere. We join a new company, there are new colleagues that we have to cater to. So if we get dedicated, say 6 months to 1 year in this movement, I think people start realizing and start actually recognizing.
Could you kindly throw some light on your experience on working with as a ZRR for Zone 2 with Unstoppable?
Okay, so this is a fairy tale, right? I mean, I heard Shruti giving this interview and she describing our ZRR-ship as a fairy tale one. So, Shruti, I think this goes to you, and this goes to our entire Unstoppable Zone 2B. Yes, it was a dream come true. Working with Shruti, first of all, I had always heard about this, small, cute, bubbly, full of energy, full of josh in her, and I was a real newbie that time, not so much, just being a president and coming up. So our first meet, I remember, it was in McDonald's, and we cleared certain things, and we've promised each other that next year at this time when we sit down for a meeting with each other, we should have made it big. And I guess, yes, that the tagline of "Let's make it big together" really worked superbly for us in the zone. And really thank you, Unstoppable Zone 2, for the support. And without you guys, we were nothing. So really a fairy tale ride for the first year of.
So now one personal question. One special friend, or maybe a bunch of them, who's a gift to you by Rotract? Like, all credits go to Rotract.
Oh my god. I think it will be really unfair, Janali, for me to mention one, because this movement really has given a beautiful bunch of friends to me. And I guess my college friends, my school friends, actually give a lot of abuses to me nowadays, because there is a special chunk of friends that is made here, and we always hang out, etc. So it'll be very unfair to name, but yes, I would like to still name a few. I think Shruti, one of the biggest achievements, or rather not achievement, we really connected with. She was this, we were called the ice and the fire combo. She was this fire everywhere, and I used to go around and cool people down. So, that kind of feeling. Vaibhav, Gautam, Ramanuj, my president, I was the IPP at his time. Lot of them, Anand, Shalwin, Hemlata, lot of friends. I mean, I cannot recollect more names now, but special bunch of people, Rotract really gives you a special bunch of friends.
So even if Rotract doesn't give me anything, do you think it will make sense that I just join Rotract to network?
Surely. I was about to mention my fifth point when I mentioned about the things you get from road track and the benefits of it. I think the fifth most important thing is networking. Not only with road tractors, but a lot of Rotarians as well. There's a big chunk of Rotarians, highly qualified, in massive positions in their lives, in their businesses, etc. So absolutely not wrong in saying that, you know, road track gives you wonderful networking opportunities.
Lovely. So being in the movement for so long, how have your connections been with the Rotary Club of Enum College, like as a president and as the district council member and all?
Right. So I remember this incident very vividly. I was there for Hardik's OCV, and the kind of energy, the kind of passion RCNM members exhibited was amazing. You know, I was sitting on the first bench, and when I used to turn around always, I used to see people banging and people cheering, people motivating others, clapping for each other. Beautiful, and the kind of projects you guys do, amazing again. The Hatke concepts that you guys come up with, brilliant. And my personal rapport has been very good with Aditya. We have been sharing a lot recently over his presidentship and how he can go ahead and do better. Also, Hardik is in our team now, Team TRS, so a lot of bonding will surely happen. So yes, looking forward, and always been a fan of RCNM, the kind of PR you guys do. So great. Yeah.
We're glad.
Media helping road track, and how do you find this initiative?
Social media in today's world, as we are all aware, you know, all the time we are on Facebook, the Twitter, the Snapchat, the WhatsApp, and I feel it really helps us. You know, I remember the movement 3 years back when we were not so much booming on the social media front. It was really difficult to reach out to people. Now, at a press of a button, you're reaching more than 500, 600, 700 people by the broadcast and, you know, through Facebook. So I think it's greatly helping the movement. It's greatly helping us road tractors to reach out to more and more people. And I guess PR serves best. I mean, the purpose of PR is served best when we can reach more number of people in less time. So beautifully helping us move, us get bigger and better as a movement.
And initiatives like these?
Exactly, I forgot to mention that. But yes, initiatives like this, reaching out to people, and yes, the newcomers, you know, the RCNM newcomers, or for that matter, any road track member, seeing these initiatives, getting inspired. I may be very small to inspire people, but yes, people at least are seeing these initiatives coming up, and really nice. I mean, awesome work, Digicom team of RCNM. And obviously Hardik, Aditya Shastri. Well done, guys. Good job.
So your final message to all our budding road trackers.
Okay.
All in one shot.
Final message, I guess, very important. This is what I believe. Whatever we do in our life, if we can do it from heart and without any prejudice, you know, पूरा दिल से बोलते हैं ना. So road track is such a platform that gives you an opportunity to work from the heart, and I am sure if all of us as road tractors have a crowd of around 4,500 road tractors around Mumbai, start working with heart, and I'm not saying that we are not now working with heart. We can be brilliant, and if we can spread those smiles around, if we can hold each other's hands and move towards helping the society, in turn developing ourselves as well, we are in for a big rocking show in road track in the years to come. So I'm sure we should take full toll of this opportunity called as road track and the platform called as road track, and Yeah, I think that is the final message. Always keep smiling, and let's keep spreading smiles. And as Naren tells me to quote on this video, yeah, I will end this speech with cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, right? Thank you so very much, Kaustav. You've indeed been very inspirational.
My pleasure.
On behalf of the Rotrac's most influential team, I would really appreciate your efforts, and you are splendid.
And I would just like to mention about Janali as well. Thank you so much, Janali. Your follow-ups and reach on time, Kaustav. We'll need to take lot of retakes, etc. Yes, I think everything went on well, and you were a great host. So thank you for that.
I'm glad. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please subscribe to Rotrac Club of NM College YouTube channel, RCNM Rotraction Network.
Please subscribe by clicking the link below.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, hope you like this particular video.
Stay tuned to Rotrac Club of NM College YouTube channel, RCNM Rotraction Network. Please click the subscribe button down below you.